Hey Alberto, this is Sergio. Before I get into what I'll be explaining, the main goal of this video is just to show you how you can leverage a website to work for you. And the first question with business owners is usually along the lines of why you should do this. And well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are just too busy to run their business instead of learning how the internet can benefit them and their company. Just plain and simple. So now, sometimes the only hesitation they have hiring someone like me is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. Or they just think that they can use word of mouth to keep their business running. But in the long term, that won't help them improve or grow on anything in their business. So I'm doing this video just for information purposes and so you can expand your knowledge before even purchasing a service from anyone or me, so you can know how it works. So if you simply want to take this free tag plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. And after watching the remainder of what I'm about to show you, I appreciate some feedback if you find the topics I cover important to you. So right now, getting right into it, I'm going through key to roofing and remodeling. Now I know you don't do roofing right now, but they also do siding, so I'll be going through this page. So throughout a web page or your website, you need 1,500 words on your homepage to be optimized with Google. What that means is the content helps Google locate information that is being provided, so the searcher searching that content can know that they are a reliable resource to use, and that's what Google does with the content. Now inside the content, you find keywords which are being placed inside the content for Google to find. So siding repair, this would be a keyword that Google would then translate into a search. So say siding repair Kansas City, you pull up people with siding replacement on the Google Maps, and then anywhere that has siding inside the website, you'll be able to pull up. So I did a search for siding repair, and then key to roofing popped up as the second search option with siding replacement and repair, because that's what their website page is listing under for siding. Another example of a niche down keyword is siding repair company in Wichita. So if I were to search this into Google, they would probably pop up pretty fast and say I have this embedded into their content, so Google crawlers can help find the information that people are looking for when they search it. And every month people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one or even having a website in place to find those keywords that people are searching for. So siding repair Kansas City or Wichita, Kansas. As you can see, I did a search for key to roofing and remodeling and siding repair Wichita, Kansas. They're ranking in the second position, right? You saw that in the last page I showed you. Now it's bringing in 11 people per month with this one keyword. So as you can imagine, the more keywords you have embedded into your content, which is called SEO on site, the more people are going to be able to find your website if you use the offsite SEO services. And that's using all your backlinks, which I'll be showing you with key to roofing and remodeling. They don't really have many, but referring domains is telling how many websites are being linked back to you. So keywordrank.com and coupon sale are being linked back to key to roofing and remodeling.com. And if we go back to overview, and this tool I'm using is called Ahrefs. It shows what a website's page is referring to behind scenes. We can see that it has two backlinks from those two domains, right? Coupon and keyword rank. Both have it. One has DR50, one has the DR29. It's giving a little bit of link juice back to the key to roofing and remodeling. Now we definitely want to beat these guys out with that one keyword at least, but there's so many more other companies that are using the same keyword that need to beat also. Now just for more information, of course, I want to go through your GMB or Google My Business account, which you probably don't have one yet, which is totally fine. It's pretty easy to make. So you can see you have the ads up front, as people are paying for those to be seen first, and then you have the organically ranked Google Maps positions. So Mid-America, All States Home Improvement, and Continental Siding in Wichita are in the first three of the map pack, which is where you want to be. So adding photos, keyword linking those photos, and putting more content and posts into the GMB. This is a social profile that you will definitely need, and it's free if you make it yourself. But on the other hand, the one thing you do not see is your citations. And the citation is your NAP, so your name of the business, the address of where it is, and the phone number that provides services to the website. And want these 3 things listed in a whole bunch of different places like Facebook, Yahoo, Yelp, Bing, all those places, so you can have more relevancy to your business. And the third thing I'd like to go over with you is your backlinks. But I'm going to be going over River City Painting just for this, because you also provide painting, you're a painting specialist. And you can see that they have these types of keywords, right? Painters, Wichita, Kansas. This is a keyword, not a backlink, but Painters, Wichita, Kansas. They're getting 105 people to their website because they're ranking this keyword in the first position. Now, maybe 20% of those people are closing, but that's still a lot of money to be made with digital marketing. So I'm going to their backlinks, and the cool thing about this tool I use, Ahrefs, which I pay about $100 a month to $200 a month, and it helps you show where the links are coming from and where they're going to, and how many referring domains are they using for each keyword. This is really helpful in terms of ranking the certain keywords that are going to be very important to getting you higher in Google search. So Painters, Wichita, Kansas, use that as a keyword and you rank it with a backlink, and that links back to your website. Now, being in the first, second, or third position, this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to be out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice or backlinks simply works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like the link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's like a popularity contest at this point. Now there's a little bit more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more efficient whenever you have relative sites linking back to you. So for example, if you have a painting website linking back to you or a siding website linking back to you, it'll be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. Now, of course, you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google your authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So over this whole video, I went through 3 steps to generating more sales to your website once you create one. Now, these are 3 things I talked about. You need content, you need backlinks, and you need citations to your GMB listing in order to bring those potential clients to you. Now, you can either go with this information that I provided today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. My name is Sergio. You know me. I'll help you out if you give me a chance. Have a great one.